Hello, my dear student. Good morning to all of you. Hope student you are all maintain the exercise of chapter number 2. This is chapter is so very weak and there are so many question answer, oral question answer are given in your textbook. So student, open your book, open your book, and today I will going to explain the sum exercise of chapter number 2 of page number 42. So take a pencil and eraser because there are some long answer type questions are given in point number C. There are 5 questions and point number E, define the following terms. Student, this is not easy to write down the all exercise and the higher classes on the your test on the your board. That is the white board. Okay, student. So when I ask to you, tick mark this questions answer on that particular page. So be aware and listen very carefully and mark the answer on the textbook with the help of pencil. Okay, student. So ready for solving the other exercises of this chapter. Okay, student. Class 8, subject science. In science, your sub-subject is biology. Biology. Then topic. This is the exercise of chapter 2. You know your chapter name? Microorganism. Microorganism and the virus. Viruses, friend and foe. Okay, student. Now ready. I am also going to take your textbook. See. No, student, your section point B is not completed also. What are the general characteristics of the organism? How do the blue-green algae symbiotic bacteria converts atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound? So write down the question number B. Point B. Short answer question. Short answer questions. Answer in 10 to 15 words. Okay, answer in 10 to 15 words. Student, I am forwarding that very short question answer question is completed or not. If you have not completed, then you ask me on the WhatsApp number. Okay. So this answer is already given in the back side of your book. On the back side, see the chapter number 2, 1 and 2. There are exercises, small exercises are already solved by your writer in the back side of the textbook. Okay, student. What are the general characteristics of the microorganism? Student, you know microorganism are very teeny organism Write down in very small points. This is already given in your textbook. Answer number B. Question is, what are the general characteristics of microorganism? Answer number 1. Please open a rough also. The general characteristics of microorganism are the general characteristics. What are the general characteristics of microorganism? CHARACTERISC of microorganisms are the general characteristics of microorganism already given in page number 22 and also given in your page number 25. Okay, so now you know page number 25. Write down point number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Okay student, point number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So know you know. Okay, point 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And answer number 2. Start from here to here and you will write down the all other answers of these questions from the textbook. Okay student, if you have any queries, any difficulty, then you carry queries to me on the WhatsApp number student. Okay, so please cooperate. How do blue-green algae and symbiotic bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound? Student, as you know, blue-green algae convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound, and symbiotic bacteria, which is live in the leguminous plants, root nodules of leguminous plants, that convert the atmospheric nitrogen to the nitrogenous compound. So student, listen very carefully. Page number, open page number 39. Page number 39. How do blue-green algae here. Please wait student, this is already given in the page number uh, page number 28. Page number 28. The blue-green algae can fix the atmospheric nitrogen as nitrogen compound in the soil, and second, symbiotic bacteria living in the root nodules of the leguminous plants absorb atmospheric nitrogen and convert into the nitrogenous compound. So write down this. How do blue-green algae and symbiotic bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound? So they are two points. Page number 28. Page number 28. Increasing soil fertility. INCREA. Increasing soil fertility. Don't write in this notebook. Write down only first point and second point in the notebook. Okay. You can write down also from the page number 29. From your in the last point, from last point to the point number 3rd. Blue-green algae can fix atmospheric nitrogen as nitrogenous compound in the soil, and last second, symbiotic bacteria is in the root nodules of leguminous plants can fix up atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound which are nutrients for the plants. This is also given and there is also given. Okay student, don't confuse. Write down. Page number 28. In increasing soil fertility. Now write down the answer number 3rd of point number B. Answer 3rd. What is fermentation? Describe the commercial use of microorganisms. Describe the commercial use of microorganisms. Student, open the page number . Please wait. What is fermentation? Page number 27. 27. This is the fermentation. Write down the heading. This is fermentation. Okay. Page number 27. The enzymatic breakdown of large organic molecules into the smaller ones and the absence of air is called fermentation. Okay. And only write down from the enzymatic to the fermentation. Okay. What is the commercial use? Student. Commercial use of microorganism. COMME, commercial. Write down the second heading of this question because there are two parts in this question. Describe the commercial use of microorganism. I am writing in small form microorganism. Okay. Okay student, what is the commercial use? First, in bakery, BA, in bakery, BAKERY, bakery industries, TRIES, for making bread, cakes, breads, cakes. Second student, also used for making the antibiotics, in making antibiotics. Third, don't write in detail, write down only points. Okay, student? For making vaccine. Vaccine is substance that kill the disease causing microorganism. Vaccine. Okay, student? And also used for making the alcohol. Write down 3 points. First, describe what is the fermentation from the textbook, and second definition of commercial use of microorganism for making in bakery industries, for making bread, cakes, and in making antibiotics. You know, student, antibiotics, penicillin, streptomycin are some antibiotics which are made from the fungi, and making vaccines. There are some various vaccines are made from the microorganism. This is called the commercial use, means at the industries level. Okay, student? Now write down the answer number 4. What are the symptoms of food poisoning? Name 2 microorganisms which cause food poisoning. So, what is the way of writing this answer of this question? The symptoms of food poisoning are the SYMPT symptoms of food poisoning are. Page number, student, wait, page number, write down in your, mark the tick on the page number, symptoms of food poisoning. This is the symptoms of food poisoning, already written. Means headache, fever, vomiting and diarrhea. Page number 37. It is first, second, third and fourth. Write down all. And name 2 microorganisms which cause food poisoning. 2 microorganism that causes that which you can write down which cause food poisoning. POISO poisoning are. Student, this is already given. Number one, fungus Aspergillus. Gillus, and second, Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum. Now your answer is complete of question number 4. Hope you have all the purchased your science book. Page number 37. Symptoms, 4 symptoms, and 2 microorganisms which causes food poisoning are Aspergillus and Clostridium botulinum. Write down. Now I am going to rub the answer number 4 of section or point number B of this chapter, chapter number 2. Question number 5. What is meant by food preservation? Name 2 food preservative used for preserving fruit, juice, jam and jelly. What is mean by food preservation? What is mean by food preservation? Write down. Page number 39. Answer number 5. So know you know. Page number 35. Mark. In so you know. Point number 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the upper point, go continuously 1, 2, 3 and 4. So know, you know. Fourth point. Only 4 point. Take only 4 point. Don't be panic. Take it easy. Okay. Now, student, and what other steps? Name 2 food preservative used for preventing fruit, juice, jams and jelly. Fruit, juice, jam and jelly. Page number 38. Sodium benzoate and potassium metabisulfates are commonly food preservatives. Sodium, sodium, sodium benzoate and sodium benzoate and potassium, POTA, potassium metabisulfate, sulfates are common, are 2 food preservatives, food preservatives. Question. Used for preserving. Used for preserving fruit juice, jam. Fruit juice, jam, jams and jellies. JELLYS. So student, mark this answer in your textbook. You can also write down in the rough copy, because some parts are given in your textbook and some parts I will write down in the whiteboard. So you should complete both parts in your fair copy. Okay student? Now, long answer type question. This question I will explain in your next class. Okay student? And there are some questions in D. Pick the odd one out. Means a given reason also. Bacteria, fungi, virus, algae, protozoa. Pick one odd and give the reason also. Bacteria, fungi, virus, algae, protozoa. Student, because virus, you know student, this is a sub microorganism and all are the part of the microorganism. You can also write down the virus is a non-living microorganism also, because when it reaches its host, they multiply and increases in their numbers. So this is the both characteristics of the living things and non-living things. So I will describe all the odd one out in your next class. Okay, and I hope you will. I also completed the defined terms. Already given the fermentation, food poisoning, nitrogen cycle, only defined. Don't explain all the pasteurization, food preservation. All these points you can write down from your textbook. If you have any queries, you can ask to me through the WhatsApp. Okay student, write down E by yourself. I will not write down or mark the tick in your textbook. This is very easy. Okay, so write down today's homework. Write and learn the given question answer of chapter 2 in your notebook. Okay, try to understand about what I am giving the homework. Write and learn the given means today's online class. I am explaining the very short question, long question not described today. Only very short and define the following terms. Hope you will all maintain the all exercise in your notebook. Okay student? So ready to solve all these at your home. Okay student? Hope you are all maintain this. Thank you student. Write down the homework and try to write down the all answer in your copy or notebook copy. Thank you student. Thank you once again.